Hello everyone, and my name is Vikram Shetty. I'm a director at 73-bit. Welcome to this video of 100 personal intern jobs in 100 days. So this is a new initiative. In recent past, I've helped bring awareness to people who are looking for jobs, but I thought there should be something very constructive and practical that we can take with minimum or no constraints and create jobs during current times. So this is my attempt to that, and I will explain you what is personal internship right now. So personal internship is primarily, as we know that the job market is kind of shrinking, and especially in the sustainability job market, there are a lot of people who are looking for job, and the young graduates or someone who has minimum experience is having a bigger struggle. These young graduates who are skilled and looking for job, and there are senior professionals. Maybe let's consider for this personal internship a person with more than 10 years of experience in this space. So the person will individually hire a personal intern. Now what will that intern gain out of it? Firstly, he will get a job. It will start an income, and it will create a responsibility because the accountability will be on them, because that's only one person who has hired him. So it will be a direct responsibility from that front. So those are the benefit for the interns. And now you maybe wonder, why will someone hire a personal intern? For what reason it makes sense? That's a good question, and in this video, I will explain you exactly from a hiring person point of view what why they will hire, and what will be the benefit of it. So this also becomes a sales pitch for the interns to share it with someone who they want to get hired from. So the first thing that the person could hire if they are doing some personal research. I have seen in the space of sustainability, people are here because they are more passionate towards sustainability and making sure things are right. So in order to do that, there are some personal research that they keep doing, keep learning about it, but they have a full-time job, so they can do so much. So in that case, to help them enhance their personal research, they can hire this intern and accelerate that. That's the first thing that they can do. So there is no restraint or constraint from their job, and there is no conflict of interest as well. The second one is personal project. So there is a research part of it, but then they want to do something actionable. They might want to create a movement around it, or they might want to coordinate between people based for some help that they can create, or it can be a report that they want to create. So that will need some bandwidth, that will need some time and efforts to create those kind of project, and it can be at a different level. So you can, for you think from your point of view, what is the personal passionate project that you want to do and you are not able to do because of the lack of bandwidth, and this personal intern can fix that bandwidth. The third one is personal brand. So this one is not so popular right now, but given the work scenario, a person about 10 years of experience is already moving towards a leadership role. And during that time, a personal brand, especially in the professional network like LinkedIn, will be of more value. There's already a lot of buzz around creating content or networking online and all those space. So firstly, if you don't know, so you can hire a personal intern to learn more about it, what's personal brand and what how it is affecting your career particularly. And if you already know about it, you can hire them to work on it and help you to grow your personal brand. So those are the three primary things. You definitely can do much more than that. Now the next question is, what kind of tasks that you can assign to this personal intern? So I've listed a few, because as I've been in the space from a technology standpoint, and we do uh, corporate benchmarkings for our clients. So most of the work is related to what my awareness of sustainability is. The first thing is finding corporate sustainability data. It's a big thing, and if you're very niche or if you want to find some specific information, you need to dig and find it out. So you can take help of this personal intern. Second one would be creating analytical tools using Excel. So this goes, you can just think about it from a different angle to it. Learn how to create analysis tool with the help of your intern. So that can be one thing. Third will be a research on a presentation deck. So either it can be for your community or you're presenting something in your company and you want to do some research on it. You can do that. Coordinating between the stakeholders. So if your project that you're thinking about has too many stakeholders and you want to have a coordination between them, so that it becomes easier for everyone who is contributing, uh, for them to work on what they do best. So intern can be used for sustainability coordinator as a, and the last one is the simplest one, was creating content for your personal brand. That's pretty straightforward. So those kind of tasks you can assign. This is not restriction. I'm just throwing out some ideas so that you can think on your own. Why will you need to hire a personal intern? What will be the framework? I personally think it has to be, at least you need to hire them for at least 3 months to get some logical or some kind of uh, output out of this whole exercise. And the salary that you will pay should be somewhere around 1 to 1.5% of your annual salary. That has to be the monthly salary you need to pay. And the third and most important thing, you have to articulate your weekly outcome. What are your benefit? Now you have paid your 3% of your annual salary for 3 months. Now what will you gain out of it? First of all, you will get a fulfillment on your passion. That's very important from you if you have some personal aspiration. Second, it showcase as an inspiring leader. You can either do it in the background, but you can share this experience on your social media platform or LinkedIn. So show the kind of leadership and the kind of support that you are giving to the young graduates, and you will definitely grow your network. It can be exponential if you are a outward person who want like to interact with people, or if you are not so much, still you will create some meaningful relationships. So those are the benefits that you can think of. So what is the next step? uh, if you still have some questions, I know it's a short intro. You can email me to vikram at the rate 73bit.com with the subject personal intern. If you are want to participate in this, you can still send me an email. I am organizing a online Zoom call to ask any personal questions that might you might have this coming Friday. So if you email me and if you want to participate in, I will send you an invite and we can have a chat there. And if you think you're like this idea and you want to support this, just throw a comment in the comment section below. That would really motivate a lot of people who are looking for and uh, find a, they think that they can create job using this method. So my target for next 100 days is to create 100 jobs. If you want to help me, you're more than welcome. Thank you very much for your support. Bye bye, see you next time.